Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to comment a photo in the TikTok comment section. So guys, if you want to comment a photo in the TikTok comment section, here you can see this. I am already commenting a photo or picture in the comment section from my TikTok account, and you also can do this on your TikTok account as well. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end if you want to comment a photo on the TikTok comment section. So guys, for that you have to simply go back to your home screen first, and now you have to simply open your Play Store or App Store. If you're using the Android device, then you have to open your Play Store, and if you're using the iPhone, then you have to simply open App Store. So guys, after this you have to simply search here for TikTok, and from here you have to simply download and install the latest version of TikTok app on your device. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply open your TikTok, and from here you have to simply sign out your TikTok account from your device for one time, and after this you have to simply sign in your TikTok account again on your device. So guys, do this, and after this if you tap on this comment button, here you will have to simply tap on this gallery icon to add comment or photo comment from here. So guys, you can see this, simply tap on this gallery button, and then you will be able to select a photo in the comment section to add photo in the comment section. So guys, in this way you can also add a photo in the comment section on TikTok. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.